na yahwɛ de mmara no ɛka ɛnema bi a ɔsi ehu as citizens of the land yɛte memfoɔ no yɛ Ghana mamma yi deɛ yɛwɔ nneɛma baako mmienu bi a ɛtwa sɛ yɛhunu saa nneɛma no wɔ yɛn yabrabɔ mu ne yɛasetena mu na ma sɔkyena bi no obi di bibi di wa wahunu sɛ wei yɛ constitutional right wei yɛ constitutional freedom nti obi hunu abi ntimi anyi mfiri hu nsɛm saa ma no nyɛ yie and then come on, you for some of the constitutional protections and freedoms are in our constitution. Now, and then it's true. Midibejina, say abine, and I said we have been say abine edge what dying was sibi. What up a be any property of this sort. Now, I say be a maybe a abine in a second, and as a bind in a sa to and I see here, but being as anyone bit me a see. Na then as some anasana to bend oh, at the one casanemu. And I said, then soon I said, because I buy an ankasan, so I said, to me now, edge at nephew, seven so ayo. Said main and I be and my phone, and I said, I found Nayashe. Dear, your constitution, Nika. Sabaya, one million say, a bit do what you said, it was a sofa. You might hear live on Original TV Ghana or Original TV GH page or Facebook. So, as I say live on Original TV, so Ankasa would TV channel no Ankasa so. But my na Mmra Nsem opposite the agent biaba between the agent aba. And watching so no sir wo question bi na person ubisa ukọ your Facebook page so between question no you be kan ahwe na you are no kama. We need to another tone change. You'll be a phone line so at around say 4:20 that way. Now and also a question be our friend will be sir. Ever say what are my friends at terminal now will be a question one. But what this will below TV no cry now won't tell who TV so. Now question be I will be able to be sir. Now yet me to the new year now come. So young sir Benin Article 20 of the Constitution of 1992, Ghana's Constitution 1992, no, and as a Ghana's 1992 Constitution, no, Ekasafa was say 21 was no property of any description. A Japadia Biara. Found it Japadiako. With my office, with my Bushian Sassby, with my Assasia Bia, would you see dine out would you see hotel, would you see school dine, Biara, any property of a sort. And yes, as in anything that you determine as property. Are going to be interest, womb, or be right to be womb, I was said about shall be compulsory taking possession of or acquired by the state unless the following conditions are satisfied. That is, and to say a buying, that's all mine because the answer to say your party was saying so mine a dear fluent someone. Now, I say a Nemanja Constitution about new Article 21A. And B no MB SC. So you the 1A nika was taking possession or acquisition is necessary in the interest of defense. That is what mine bambo 70 or mine bambo in the interest of defense or mine bambo 70 no a be an order party and who be here and I said be a party and one because it's in the interest of defense of the country no or mine would to make us or for the interest of public safety you know bambo public order, public morality, public health, town and country planning. Or mine says town and country planning for your a shessa ya mu krunk to and crackers emu and said baby is down, baby out means down. Higher quine, higher school, higher market, higher sing. Anything as I could dance, maybe I say a lot of comments, one quite permit and free or quite permit in a search and a bianca. I want to say, I now yet was at the Habaya quine arching. And as we knew, as we look at what the acquisition. Sabria, Masuquine, in Craquine, that way, Takra the quine, if we cry crow, if we takra the colubu, if we takra the call, and Zima, if we takra the friend saying, Cote d'Ivoire, and then Taquane, Cronabite room for our crabby Pierson region. Sir, crying will be asked, what's your Padibo quine, now been Lord Quine baby, like I want to say that to be no. And now, say, where you're quine. So once I buy be ban over trap quine anymore. Ebi ana ho bekam nti se wo si dan na wo ben kwan ho ye dwapade bi na wo ben kwan lord kwan ho bebre a e ma na nya wadwene se lord kwan na da ho keke no a no se de tie no sa na be sa afebo eda bi ba bi na kwan ne ye betrem and that is why ntia Mmra mu no your distance be say to ne lord kwan tem bia hwe se distance no ana wayi ade ato de be ma wo mo no a esi adan na se obi oben ho no atimi ehu se dabi ense ukọ sa biaye no wode no so to ha wo say or the development or utilization of the property in such a manner as to promote the public benefit and the abayama oman mu nyina benya so faso oman mu nyina ti bitu abase bia wodan na ba bi esie na ho na aban pese obesi court se bia Ghana fo nyina benya so faso ana bia na ho mpo na aban besi university and anu mekai president me osepenso na aban si wokosi aya university wo sunya ne University of Energy and Natural Resources ana se hold year of the University of Health and Allied Sciences ana se na no so many ade yin so president Mahama parents was wokosi university bi ho na no University of Environment and bibika ho mo fancha se mi kai fu name no but ni nyina no se bibisa bi na aban de ba ho aban ba no hia sa se o de se university bi so because for public interest my munu nyina benya so mfaso ne nti no tebia bi saa no oba no bedu no be pasase bi saa bia na sase no beje no eye ofisase bia na kokuo bi woso bia na bank bi woso bia na wadua bodifo bi so menya area hokra mbo din dia obekọ na mango ne ade ne mododua kube ne saa ne wona no won sase ne bi so eye property eye asset ana woso nanso bia ho behia ban sa ban behia aban betumi akase wodne sa agi na mmom ye behwe se oje a oje ne saa keke ana bibi wachira won so betumi ayo so yakwe no yebetie no so we 21b no say the necessity of the acquisition is clearly stated and as is subject and as is such as provided reasonably as to provide reasonable justification for causing any hardship and that may result to any person who has interest in or right over the property and answer boy aban atimi dwene hu no say na say one more constitution ni hu no say se abajo japade bi sa no a aya possible say e de ahoche bi betwa bro so na make e bia na wadua ukokofo bi oso e bia na wadua wo enye kokofo mpa bia na wadua bi no bai bi oso a ne sa so nti e ho behia wo say wo hia afusase no ana se wo hia say wo be yisu asase no na wo nka ka wo na nka wo bi mfa ne se meka nanso at that moment no aban ede ne nsa kan ne nsa ore kan nyina ne se wode be bibia be boa Ghana ban nyina aban say it's going to cause some kind of hardship but the question is are you left alone or do they leave you alone and ye be hwe until wo hwe no a the 22 no be kira wo say compulsory acquisition of such of property by the state shall only be made under a law and which makes provisions for a prompt payment of fair and adequate compensation. Prompt payment of fair and adequate compensation. No means tonight say aban also ma mpata sika bi na so ma mpata bi se wo bede wasase no edi oyi kwan na kan wasase yen kai hwe kra yen kai bra na mampani kufo pen so ye yi kwan atonsa wo machi ene nkoko achi na nya ho na kwan dadeda kaneno na kumase kwan no na dan kokko kuro mfimfini no pi kumase kwan na dan nsawom kuro no mfimfini pi anna kwan da nanso ediba bi aban hu no se da bi kuro na nyi ate kwan da ma udu a traffic bebre wonu kumase da ye mfa dwen foforo bi ne ko yi kwan to bi mampani ko foforo no nti ko yi kwan to ye kuro na chi nsawom achi ne nkoko achi sabra na wo ye sa de no edan sebo na ba bi na kwan na kofa ne nkrofo mfo bi wo ho nkrofo japade bi wo ho ebesai nti constitution ne say article 22 ne say 22A wase etwasa ban etwia mpatasika bi di ma asem mpatasika na wase ye prompt na say ye intentem so and so ye something that is fair and adequate to you B no say a right of access to the High Court by any person who has interest or rights in over the property, whether direct or on an appeal from any other authority for the determination of his interest or rights and the amount of compensation which he is entitled to. Now there's a war kwan so between court and so the High Court of Ghana, any high court in the country, with alcohol, and so I could file a suit to for the court to, I mean, more or less determine the amount of compensation we are entitled to, in case Sebia umpata sika bia ma wo kwan se wutimi court and so kope mpata na se mo free court and some. Yanhwe 23 was where a compulsory acquisition or possession of the land effected by the state in accordance with clause 1 of this article involves displacement of any inhabitant. The state shall resettle the displaced inhabitants or suitable on a suitable alternative land with the due regards for their economic well-being and social and cultural values. So the work can ebi anaba bia aban agye no na koba se ne nipa bi baby na omote ebi mba na ekuromu a ba na bebi enam sa ade ni nti e se yi omu nyina afiri ho. Am example eba se yekosi buida ani mpo ne mo amunim eye adome bridge no eso no baby a voter lake ne fa no aya adome bridge na across na ho nyina yekuro na ho nyina yekura ne nkrofo adan sisi so but akoba se nsuo no ye be dam no nti nsuo no eba fa ho ni nti na o se etu safo no nyina firi baby nsuo no nam na ya wuhu die yiwom nyina firi ho na nsuo no yi be fa sense ni nyina man na yi ho na da ne nsuo no kwan ya na mu a de besim twam kɔ kwom ne nkura aka no so. So what you need to what the constitution can say koba ne saa no a ne yi kuro na firi ho no e wasa ban hwe se ye be sete wo mo ba fufuro yen ka se ye bu da na to keke na ye be sete wo ba bi a ebeboa na mo nso mo twenye ba bi atena but ebra ye no ase hwe mo well-being hwe mo social hwe mo cultural values nti bo mo se bi wo no a me kai buida mo de no na nkuro no bi wo ho a me kai pa se busua ne ka se womo mpese se bitafra che womo nuanom wo maame no papa no nananom wa awuo me yasi wo no ye beja wo mafunu no wo ho yem yentu yem ma ba bi mo mutuma tu afunu nyina de akosi wo foforo aban so di so ama sabre no ye ma wo mpe ba bi ma ba bi no wo mo do wo kwakotena no ye pensase wo ho ma wo mo a ye da ne ho na sie ya sabi bitafra che na wo nuanom wo maame no papa no wo fa no mu ne dade wo mma ene dade na afiri mu sabre no mo asi wo mo deda no na say you say two nyina de ko sa bia ne san ko si omfoforo ya nyom ho say because aben o mwi a na say nkuro na mo tete mu nyina no na nsuro ba yira fa ho nyina ma nkuro na yira. And indeed these things are important that say aban akoba ne say aban eyi kwan aban di dwumadie bi anything that is in the interest of the state, whether for defense purposes, for public health, for public order, for public morality, and as a town and country planning, same biara eba na ninche ko ba say wadwapa de bi any property ebi hu beka and share ne say na say constitution ni kire say yemfa no kwa akwa say bi otumi fu otimi no ro ka wafa betinti was ma jefru nsam me nkiro me ma mpatasika biara mafa ontumi nya ho hwe dabi enye ne sa na e ka no enye ne sa na mum no ye fa say kwan yi so ema ye aban ema mpatasika said ya wo no a ye fa wasase no wo betimi anya bibia firi mu na nkoba se wodwapade no a wo dan no aban butugu ye wi bia aban butugu ye no sabi aye kwa akwa se keke dabi enya ne kwanso no enti ye di nkomo yi minum se ne ma mekan na mom tienie sa ne ma we ya very careful. There are things that be na babaton because there are times abu an we so near 2 years na so pam yes enye no man ko ya ma yehwe. You're very careful. I don't think it includes who are winning say I ya kwan to be in fact say be I remember example somewhere before President Kufuor left power, our president most take over. Now we decided some by N1 highway. Na sabre ni no eye la pass kwan ya beka kwan nyina no na eye kwan a manfo kiosk wo so containers wo so na da bate ukodu wo na wo study ho din ya utumi hu se wo mo a esi dan wo sase ne so no esi dan ne kwa akire wo mo a main lord kwan no so wo mu hu se Brofocas and Nasabi, they anticipated that there will be development. Until the Anuntino, one more answer, was a woman, Suma Diam, men, crime, baby. They left space in that a crime development in a bar, more than baby, too. When to work as I can almost, never, you are moving for that because the space was already there. No more I can't see woman, you want now more don't pay containers acquisition. I don't because I see one more than 20 and no women's one I would see you, Sabi, I bind the answer that Baba equine in tea. And so answer what the BBC. So one day, sometimes you may not get compensation because we need, but the egg bossy idea, and yes, idea be a war in the plan, but abato it ne here say, ye Jim was asking, here say, what done ye butugu. Sad the end constitution natural coin of us. And the Matum was a church room. Yaku and me, be a phone line, so I think our Facebook page, I don't know whether it's still streaming, but so the question for original TV GH, supposed to be streaming the program live. So who show why ubet me at the questions no after how you become your phone lines and is open anytime from now. Any question that you have, our person will be sano. Okay, so you may be a phone lines and so atum na wafre say bibi na wonti ase na person will be sa na no so what me ebisa na ya koyanim na ya maunche mukama. Nyame yadom na wo say na ya besan ahia with a different lawyer. Ebenya lawyer for ndwe mo abasran ma yadidi nkomo afa Mmra Nsem no bi ho ehia education. Yan article 21. Article 21 says all persons shall have right to a freedom of speech and expression, which shall include freedom of press and other media. Constitution am right say ultimate come again, ultimate can be episode kabia. Nemo hateni. Constitutionally a right idea more. But no right in this earth, and also on this earth, is absolute. And there are times that some rights can be interfered with. Yansha super. And you believe a right, you can say all right in interest and intimacy. What we can be biakeke. Yes, what freedom of speech and correct. But what can some go be who fear? Made a lot of fun be better ha yadi defamation won komo atra kwan a wo fa betimi adifam obi egu obi hu fia kasem bia nse o kan ya atra obi atro obi bia nse o twonafo bi hu ma nipa na dima ko gina mera ni ma court aboka ewo and it's you're very careful. The fact say you're right and just say yetimi ye na sa bia keke madaroma. If one lines be atom, I think it's 0550 090702 0550 Ofra, but more than sell below TV no crash. I don't watch no say lower the volume set the volume of your TV set. Low TV no crash. Na but more than say unti on TV no so. Na bisa question. Ubo di be afraid free no bisa question na ya nche mo dia ma. Na ya koya nim. Article 21B. Or say freedom of thoughts, conscience, and belief, and shall include academic freedoms, freedom to practice any religion and to manifest such practice. And obi timi nshia won kan just international so like Presbyterian church. Kila so bia so that ho be no e wo man Ghana mu ha. Mozama wo ha, Gidi Koko wo ha, Pentecost wo ha, SDA wo ha. I mean one man church is 1001. You can say today in the Roman, the Methodist, the Presby, name them. Woman answer who have freedom to practice any religion. Say mudi ope Buddhist, ope Ekanka, ope whatever. Join them. And all right to join anyone. Caller, good afternoon. What's your first self-referring? Caller, good afternoon. What's your first self-referring? Hello. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
The friend would do in Medina.
Okay.
If I chose a beer, a bandy would be assassin. Now for a long time, no, but the school, ne nipa no ne bibi ne da was so no wa ask for compensation for up to this time one. Na ofi say all right any right biana.
Kyerɛ wasɛm no mu yie. Wo sɛ aban gye asase no de yɛ den.
O say
Aban gye asase no de yɛ den.
Compulsory ayi na abani agye.
E de yɛ den.
Na land no obi so ɛwɔ japadeɛ wɔ so. Efie. Na wa ask for compensation. Badia ye school no. Na efie no da ho si school no mu a.
Na fie no tem.
Na nipa nso mbisa for compensation. Right be na afie wo bio.
Efie no a esi kusisi school mu wɔ de what does ye bu fie no to gu na ye mu fie na ntoango.
If I just say
aban bu fie no to gu ya na so wa mbu antoango.
Wa mu fie dem efie nda so si hɔ no.
But hwan na ti fie no?
Ana ɛwɔ school no mu. Compound no mu.
Metrɛ sɛ hwan na ti fie hɔ? Asase na ti fie hɔ na sɛ aban agi fie no.
No efie